I just wanted to talk to somebody who might also be in the same position, that they feel stuck in life. They feel like they can't be themselves. They can't do the thing that really sets their soul on fire. They can't do the thing that really gives them purpose on a daily basis. I've seen a number of these videos where people are talking about how YouTube has changed their lives, or how YouTube is changing their lives, even though they're just starting out on YouTube. They're still small creators on YouTube. And I was thinking to myself, YouTube didn't just change my life. It literally saved my life, because I was in a dark place. So I thought, if I can help somebody else out there, then that's exactly what I want to do. I want to also just share my own experience about how YouTube literally saved my life, like I've said. I'm just gonna give you a bit of a background in terms of why I even started a YouTube channel, or how I got to start a YouTube channel in the first place. So I did everything by the book. I did everything that was expected of me, that I was told to do: go to school, go to university, find a job, and just continue there, do all these things that society tells us that we're supposed to do. So I did all of that. I went to school, went to university, did my degree, and I even found employment immediately after finishing university. I didn't really struggled to find employment after university. I found employment, and even when I found employment, I started climbing the corporate ladder quite early on, getting promotions. Oh, before we get into that, soon after I found employment, I became pregnant. I became a mom at the age of 25. Unfortunately, things didn't work out between the father of my child and myself, and I became a single mom. I moved away from home because, again, I got another promotion. I was employed. I was raising my daughter. I bought my own place in my 20s already. Things were just moving along. I was succeeding. By that definition, I was successful. I was succeeding. But then I found myself in this place where I felt like I'm not fulfilled. I felt like my life had no purpose outside me being a mom, me being a daughter, me being a sister, me having those relationships that I'm having. Of course, I still felt like, yes, I have purpose, I am raising a child. But outside of that, if you are somebody that wants to feel like you are living a life that has purpose outside just your immediate, family structure, if you are somebody that values that, then you will understand what I'm saying. So I found myself in the place where I was successful by definition of, society, that you are successful. You are independent, you are making your own money, you are paying your own bills, you are not dependent on anybody for anything. I'm doing all of those things. But then, strangely enough, I found myself in that place where I felt like my life has no purpose. When I woke up in the morning, I didn't feel excited about my life. I didn't feel excited about what I was doing. There was just a misalignment. I didn't feel like myself. I'd like to think that I'm a creative person. I'd like to think that I'm somebody that likes to be challenged, because I feel like you can only grow when you are challenged. In the work that I was doing, I was not passionate about it. It was not fulfilling to me. I felt like I was not making any impact, because that's another thing. If you are somebody that wants to have a positive impact, you have a certain idea of who you want to impact, how you want to impact those people. So I didn't feel like that was happening in my life, and I felt stuck, which is, it's such a terrible place to be at. I felt stuck. I felt like I can't just leave my job because I have responsibilities. I have this kid that I'm raising, that is looking up to me, that I need to feed, I need to clothe, I need to do all of these things that you have to do when you are raising a child. So I felt like, as much as I didn't feel like the work that I was doing was fulfilling to me, was challenging me, was helping me to exercise my creativity, it was not doing any of those things. So I felt stuck. I felt like I can't just leave my job because I have responsibilities. That's the main reason that I fell into a dark place, really. I fell into a depression. I had high levels of anxiety. I used to stay awake at night because I didn't know what to do. I didn't know, how am I gonna get myself out of this situation. I knew what was causing me to be depressed. I knew that that is the thing that I needed to change in order for me to get out of this depression. I didn't accept the status quo. I didn't accept that that's what my life was just going to be. I continued to stay awake at night reading, thinking, what is it that I can do to just feel like I'm in a better place? What is it that I can do? And I didn't know that I needed to start a YouTube channel. Literally, I got to a point where I started watching a lot of YouTube. I think that was during the pandemic when I started watching a lot of YouTube. And then it started coming to me to say, the thing that I've been wanting so much is for me to be able to express myself, for me to be able to express my creativity, for me to be able to have a positive impact, for me to be able to impact somebody in a positive way, the way that I want to impact. The people that I wanted to impact the most are Black women, especially in South Africa. Those are the people that I wanted to impact positively. Those are the people that I wanted to help them to realize their own greatness, help them to realize that they deserve so much better, help them realize that they too can make their lives better. Just making women realize their greatness, making women realize that they are capable of so much more, they deserve so much more. I found myself being drawn to YouTube because that's the place where I felt like, actually, here I can be able to do all these things that I've been wanting to do that I haven't been able to do. You know, I become emotional when I think about the place that I was in before starting my YouTube channel and what it has done for me and for other people, because I get messages, I get people that are saying that they are finding value in what I'm doing. I get people that are saying they find my videos helping them. They are also working on, you know, improving their lives. They are doing this and that. I'm so grateful that it came to me that this platform is the platform that I can use to help me to also help other people. It's been so challenging for me to have this YouTube channel, in a sense that I've had to learn so many things about myself, about the skills that you actually need to be able to, you know, post videos on YouTube. There's so many things that this YouTube channel has helped me with. It has helped me with feeling like I am having a positive impact on the people that I want to impact. I've learned so many things that are helping me become a better person. So many skills, so many valuable skills that I wouldn't have learned had I not started this YouTube channel. And I'm not even going to start talking about the money aspect of it. I'm not even going to start talking about that, because for me, that was not my motivation. I'm not saying that I don't want to make money on YouTube. I mean, obviously, everybody wants to make money. But at the end of the day, I was making good money. I was considered successful for my age and all of those things. So for me, it was not about money. It was not about, you know, trying to, you know, have another stream of income or anything like that. That was not why I started my YouTube channel. The thing that I was chasing had nothing to do with money. I am so grateful that it came to me that I need to start a YouTube channel. And I got to gain so much more than I thought that I was going to gain. And the thing is, I wanted to be able to achieve that in the way that resonated with me, in the way that made me feel like, yeah, I am having a positive impact. I am helping somebody out there. That also challenged me because, yeah, like I said, having a YouTube channel is very challenging. It will challenge a lot of things about yourself, about what you believed about yourself, about what you are capable of. You will start wanting to become better. You will start wanting to become a better version of yourself. You will start wanting to learn more, to do more, it's just gonna have this snowball effect in a positive way. So if you are also in that place where you feel stuck, where you feel all of these things that I've spoken about, really consider starting a YouTube channel. I really feel like YouTube really literally saved my life, because I was going down a path that was not good. That's why I then found that YouTube really is the place where I can start doing all these things that I felt like I was lacking, that I felt like they were causing me to be depressed. They were causing me to have all of this anxiety and all of that. So now I am so much happier. I'm so excited. I'm just so excited. That's the word that I can use to describe this whole thing. I'm just so excited about what I'm doing, what I'm still gonna do, what's to come. Just the possibilities are just endless. I'm just so excited, and I'm so grateful for you. I'm so grateful that you found my channel. I'm so grateful that you found my video. One other thing that I just want you to never stop doing, never stop searching for the thing that is going to fulfill you. Don't settle on a life that is unfulfilling because you think that this is just how things are. Don't settle. Always search. And the thing is, when you search, you will find the answers eventually. The point to all of this is that never stop searching. Yeah. Never stop searching. Eventually you will find the answers. It might take you, oh gosh, one moment. Okay, basically what I wanted to say is that never stop searching. Never stop asking questions. Never stop searching for that thing that you need. Never settle. Never settle for anything in life. Never settle for a life that is unfulfilling, that does not give you joy. Just never settle. Always search. Even if you don't know what is it that you need to do, even if you don't know what is the next step that you need to take, but never stop searching. When you search, you will eventually find the answers. You will eventually find yourself. You'll eventually find the answers, and the universe can't give you, it can't hand over the things that you need the most, but it can help you. It can conspire to help you if you also help yourself. If you never stop searching, never stop wanting better for yourself, just never settle. That's the message that I want to leave you with today. So if you did enjoy my video, please do give it a thumbs up, and also do click that subscribe button. I'd love to have you over. Until the next video, bye. No more crying, no more crying. Now it's happy, it's happiness, no more crying. But even those tears, they were really tears of joy, because I just became emotional, because I was like, yeah, I've come a long way. Anyway, until the next video, bye.